counting. 1 minute.
1 minute and 60 seconds to go.
Everything is still looking good for launch of Shuttle Endeavour from Kennedy Space Center to vehicle critical function. T-minus 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Tell Chuck.
20 seconds.
T-minus 15 seconds.
15,
12,
12, 11, 10. Here we go. 2, here it goes. Daylight.
That will reduce the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier.
Here comes the sound. Oh boy.
Endeavour already 1.5 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. All systems reported to be in great shape.
Woo!
2 seconds into the flight, the main engine's beginning to rev.
Fill the car.
104% of rated performance. Endeavour, go at Bravo. Please throttle up call for spacecraft communicator Gus Loria. On board Endeavour, Commander Flight engineer Mark Gardner, the Canadian Space Agency and mission specialist Joe Tanner. Seated alone down at the mid-deck, mission specialist Carlos Noriega.
Boy, oh boy, that's a good one, isn't it? Honey.
Beautiful, nice shot.
Oh yeah.
I think that's
1
the
minute,
best one we've
36
ever
seconds into the flight.
Yeah.
Endeavour 18 miles in altitude, 15 miles downrange, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good auxiliary power units. This view from long-range tracking cameras north of the launch pad at the Kennedy Space Center. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation coming up in about 8 seconds.
8 seconds. 8 seconds, Chuck.
Booster officer here in Mission Control reports a good solid rocket booster separation. Endeavour 32 miles in altitude,
Separated.
40 miles downrange, putting
Separated.
on a light show for the eastern seaboard as it heads up the eastern seaboard. Guidance has converged, all 3 computers. And the booster officer reports the ignition of Endeavour's orbital maneuvering system engines. That will be a 1 minute 42-second kick in the pants for Endeavour as the shuttle gets an additional lift to orbit to accommodate its 18-ton payload. Endeavour, 2-engine tail. Coming up on the point of negative return where the shuttle will be too far downrange and too high in altitude to return to the launch site in the event of an engine failure. All 3 main engines functioning perfectly so far. Endeavour Houston, negative return.
Negative return.
Endeavour copy, negative return. Endeavour on course and on time to hit that keyhole in space for main engine cutoff as the chase is underway to reach the International Space Station Saturday afternoon. 4 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight, 61 miles in altitude, 167 miles downrange. Endeavour's trajectory beginning to flatten out as it gains speed heading to orbit.
Wow.
Aboard the International Space Station, Bill Shepard, Yuri Gudzenko, Sergei Krikalev asleep at this hour. They'll be awakened about 3 hours from now to learn of Endeavour's launch. Almost 5 minutes into the flight of Endeavour. Now 65 miles in altitude, 230 miles downrange. Endeavour, press to ATO. Endeavour copies, press to ATO. That call indicating that Endeavour could make its minimal orbital targets in the event of an engine failure. However, all 3 main engines continue to function normally. 3 good fuel cells, 3 good auxiliary power units for the orbiter. Endeavour traveling at about 7,300 miles per hour at this moment.
That was cool. Well worth it.